So I'm not gonna unweave the safety net from the trampoline. I just took the knots out so it would be loose, which might help. Now I'm gonna remove different springs, kind of leaving some springs in place to keep the mat in place until I can get most of the tension released. When you go to put the net back on, or the mat back on, you'll probably want to do this where you put in one spring about every 10 or 12 spaces. If you happen to get a spring, you're not going to be perfectly aligned the first try, but this will help you get the mat in place, and then little by little you can start adding springs to each eyelet. As you go, you may see the net and the springs kind of out of alignment. You can just grab the spring, take it off, and move it to the hole that's more in line with the eyelet. When you go to reassemble to put the safety pole nets on, you can put the clamps on the legs and then reinsert the safety poles. There's lots of ways to do it. That's just one idea. Now we're going to take apart the frame. The legs will go on after you get the frame connected in circles. So I don't know if this would be helpful, but I thought I would show you one time how the layout before assembly. So you have, in a sense, a crossbar, the legs, the bottom, and those are in between these connection sections that have the bars where the legs attach. In between each bar where the legs attach is a crossbar, and as you can see, the legs attach to one connecting segment to a different connecting segment, and then another leg connecting to a different connecting segment with a crossbar between each one. So hope that helps.